everyone, welcome to Kanak Infosystem channel. Here is a quick Odoo 18 beginner step. How to prevent users from deleting records from a form view using delete attribute. This is really useful for important records that should not be removed accidentally like master data or configuration by the user. So by default, user with the right access can delete records using the delete button. So to restrict this, you can add the attribute delete equal to false to the form view in the code. Let me show you. Here I had also given the create equal to false and add it so that user can also not be able to create a new records and add it. And after giving the delete attribute, user will not be able to delete the record. Running the service and upgrading the module. So here we can see the changes in the record that the delete button is not visible, and you can also not be able to create a new record and add it. So that's how you can prevent users from deleting records in Odoo 18 by using the delete equal to false attribute in the form view. And by giving the delete equal to true, users can be able to delete the record. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more quick Odoo tutorials on the Kanak Infosystem channel. Thank you for watching.